Hello, dear friends. This is Tariqul Islam. Come again with the parenting series, a new episode to discuss and share experiences and thoughts with you. It's my pleasure to conducting this parenting series with you, and I am very much happy that it is now at the 10th episode. I have been already shared with you 9 episodes, and today I am going to the double digit. It's actually a nice milestone for me, and I have to study a lot of times with recent findings of science, technology, sociology, psychology, and many other things about parenting to conduct these videos. So who are you watching my videos? The viewers, you are actually inspiring me by watching my video and subscribing it, and I get motivation a lot with your efforts, like when you upvote me or you subscribe my channel. So today I am at the 10th series, and I will discuss today's a very important thing, that 5 major things that you have to notice for your baby when she or he is below 1 year. You know that I am conducting this series as subsequently, and I am trying that if anybody follow these videos, he will find a consequent process guideline about parenting. So I am trying to discuss the parenting techniques of for a baby below 1 year on my first 10th episodes, and then from 11 to 20 I will try to discuss the parenting techniques that should be applied on the years from 1 year to 5 year, and then I will go forward. So today this is the last episode of my first part, that when the baby is from 1 year or below 1 year, what matters should be noticed and should be considered on parenting issues. There are 5 major points that you must have to consider, and if you notice these 5 important things that they are going normal, then you will be confirmed that your baby is on the track and there is no major problems on him. So what are these 5 techniques? The first one is feeding. Feeding, is a very important thing, that when a baby take his milk, mother milk, naturally, spontaneously, then you will be confirmed that 1/5 portion of your baby is totally confirmed as well. And most of the fathers and mothers are very much tensed about this issue, that their baby is not getting enough food, or they are not capturing the milk by itself, or either they should give their babies artificial foods with the natural ones. They become confused about these issues. So at first you have to notice that either they get enough food for their nutrition or not. If you see that, you observe that they are getting enough food, natural mother food, then you will be confirmed that he is on right track. That is the first important thing. If he don't do this, you have to consult with your doctor. And the second important thing is the cry of the baby. Sometimes when babies cry, the mothers and fathers, especially who have been experienced to become parent for the first time, they become very much tensed that why my baby is crying. But actually when they cry, sometimes it is a signal, it is an alarm that they are on the right track and they are feeling okay. Because when they feel any discomfort, he will respond, and that is their language to respond to his mother or father or others. So sometimes they will cry. If they are very much calm that they don't like to cry, then it is a concern that they may have some problems. So second important thing, you have to notice that either they cry sometimes of the day or not. Third important thing is evacuation, that is stooling, that either their evacuation, discharging water and discharging what they are feeding is on natural way or not. You have to observe the garbage that they are discharging, the color of that and the smell of that and amount of that, how many times they are discharging water or peeping or not. If their evacuation process and feeding process is well, then you will be find that 60% of their problems has been solved and they are very much well. And the fourth major important things that to be noticed is the sleeping. Either they can sleep soundly or not. If they have a sound sleep, then you will be confirmed that there are not any discomfort to him or anything not creating problem to them. So when how many times they will sleep, there is a chart. You will find it on the Google or internet or from your doctor that a baby how many times he will sleep. And normally a baby when born at the first few months they like to sleep on 18 to 20 hours. It may be from 15 to 16 hours or more. When they sleep 16 to 20 hours, then you will be confirmed that they are all well. And the final another important thing is responding. Either they can respond to you or not. When you speak anything, if they don't respond, when you sounds, if they don't respond, then it is a very much sensitive issue. So try to observe that either they are responding perfectly, naturally or not. And when they become hungry, when they evacuate something, either they are crying or not. When you take them, give them a bath, they are moving their hands and feeling free, comfortable or not. You will get some idea about their responses, and when you find that they are responding very well, then you will be confirmed that they are well. And if the 5 issues that I have mentioned, the feeding, evacuation, crying, sleeping and responding, if these 5 issues are okay, then you will be confirmed that your baby has no major problems and they are on the right track to become grown up. So thank you very much for this watching this video. I will share another thing on next video and my part 2, that what should the parents do from the years of 2nd to 5th. So thank you very much. Stay connected with me. Bye.